The Enacfire A9. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unbox. In this video, we'll look at the Enacfire A9 True Wireless Earbuds. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide, USB-C charging cable, and small, medium, large ear tips. The A9 features 8 hours of listening time, 32 hours with the case, Bluetooth 5.0, touch controls, USB-C for charging, active noise cancellation and an ambient feature, and it's IPX7 waterproof. The case has a compact feel to it with a matte finish all around, and it's easy to grip. On the front, you have the branding and the status LED light. And on the bottom, you have the USB-C charge port. The lid opens and closes smoothly, and it feels tight. The earbuds are easy to grip and remove from the case, and you have the ear indicators etched in inside. Earbuds have a flat stem design with a matte finish just like the case. It has a large base towards the ear tips, and the ear markings on the lower part of the stem. On the outer face, you have the logo along with the surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, microphones, LED, touch control, and charging contacts. Here they are side by side. Touch controls are straightforward, just a few taps to navigate playback and calls. The case comes in at 2 by 1.1 by 1.8 inches. It weighs in at 28 grams, and the earbuds come in at 8 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
At sundown, come down, think about where we are. It's a long way up to everything that we want. But if we take a moment to get closer to the things we love, it's not a long way to the spot where we already are. Stay here under the palm tree.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Enacfire A9 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls, and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Enacfire A9. The earbuds were very comfortable, and they seated nicely in my ears. They felt secure, and I didn't feel excessive pressure in my ear canals. The touch controls also help in reducing the additional pressure. Build-in quality is decent. Simple case design, and it feels durable along with the earbuds. The earbuds have a slim profile once they're seated in your ears. I would have liked the touch controls to be a bit more sensitive. At times I found myself tapping the earbuds multiple times before it responded. Battery life is fair, coming in at 32 hours total. I like the IPX7 waterproof rating, so this should protect you from the elements. Wireless charging would have been nice to see. The active noise cancellation feature is about average compared to the earbuds that I have tested with this feature. It can cancel up to -28 decibels. The transparency feature had no issues picking up the surrounding sounds, and it came in loud. When it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it comes in pronounced, deep and punchy, and it sounds a bit boosted. Mids and highs come in clean and clear, but I would have liked to have seen a bit more separation. These definitely have a warm sound signature. Overall, I feel that they are a decent pair when it comes to sounds and the ANC feature. It does come in at a crowded price point, so it will come down to what you're looking for in features and design. So that is my review of the Enacfire A9 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unbox. Take care everyone.